So we're going to create a lot of different types of napkin rings. I use these napkin rings here. They're plastic. I got these from Dollar Tree. Can't remember how many I got in the bag because I've had them for a while, but I'm getting ready to use these and make these some napkin rings. I've got leaves. Got some sparkly leaves. And these sleeves, both sets, I got from And That store. It's a Christmas tree store. Excuse me, Christmas tree shop. And I got them in the bag, and I got a bunch of these last year, I think it was. I've got a radish, some pumpkins, some leaves, some wooden leaves down here. My 2 glue guns, because I know I'm gonna run out of my narrow glue sticks. So I've got my thicker ones. So I've got them both heating up. And I'm also gonna use my pliers or my wire cutters. And I use these basically just to cut the stems off of the leaves. Okay, let's do our first one. Just 2 styles. A silky one and a cotton with a little blend to it. The design on it actually has leaves on it. I'm going to use these 2, and I will fold these in just simple folds to see how your napkin rings will look with napkins in them. I'm going to start by designing my leaves, how I'm going to want my leaves. And I think that I'm going to take this one and glue it on top. I mean, with all things, you know, when you're working with hot glue, be careful, this stuff is hot. It's extremely hot and can burn your fingers. Okay. Alright. Now the pine cones that I showed you, I think I want to put one in the center of this. And then putting this on this leaf. Because of the weight of it, I'm going to have to put some considerable glue on it so that that will adhere to it, stick to it, glue to it. Yeah, I'm going to move this to the side while it dries, and we're going to do our next leaf. Alright, next design, I'm going to use the pumpkin, a small plastic pumpkin, and I probably got this from the Dollar Tree, or either I got it from Michael's when they were having the sale. They have the after Halloween sale, and they have all the fall stuff on sale. I'm gonna put this one, this leaf, and this leaf. So I'm gonna put them together the way I want to arrange them on the bottom of my pumpkin, and I'm just gonna stick my pumpkin down on it. Press them down on there. Get rid of the webs. Okay, along with the pumpkin, I want to put a grapevine ball on there as well. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to add another leaf to the bottom of this. So it's probably going to adhere to the leaves because it's at a different level. I have to put it on the leaves. Put the pumpkin, put the leaf on the leaves. Okay. Go up again with the leaf. before I put the first design is dry and ready to go. I'm going to turn this over and take my napkin ring. I can do this one of two ways. I can take it on the napkin ring this way, or put it on the napkin ring this way. Which means if you put it this way, your napkin's going to go this way and it's going to come out ends here. If you put it this way with this design, your napkin will be straight through here and through the top and through the bottom. And I think that that's the best way to do this design. Put it on just like that. Okay, I'm gonna put this with the other glue gun. This glue is a little bit more heavy duty because it is Gorilla Glue sticks. And I found these Gorilla Glue sticks in, here we go. Found them at Michael's once. Alright, so we'll take it and put our ring on just like this. On our leaf. We're going to put this to the side and let it dry. Because we have that, because we have the pine cone on it, I'll have to put it up on something like so. Let's add our grapevine to this one. And put it on your edge. Same thing. This one's a little simpler. Okay, so I'm gonna add it. Alright. And these rings are not not metal. Uh-oh, they're plastic. And again, I got them in the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. Let's work with our radish. This radish I got in 2018. I took my husband to Dallas, Texas, and we drove down to where Chip and Joanna Gaines has their farm, Magnolia Farms, and this is where I purchased these. And I hadn't had a reason to use them until now. I think this would be very pretty as a napkin ring. So as the other ones are up like this on the napkin ring, straight up and down, I think I'm gonna turn this like this. I think that'll be pretty that way. This is gonna be simpler because all I have to do is glue this one on and let it dry. And while it's drying, we can look at the ones that have already dried. The first one and the second one. And put a napkin on. There we go. So we'll let that dry. This is a 20 by 20 napkin, and I'm gonna do it pretty quick. So these folds, or this fold, this particular one, you can find it on my channel as well. I'll put the link inside the description for you. It's a pretty simple fold. And if you make your folds just right, you can have your end folds going the same direction. which makes your design ideal. It's silky. It's kind of hard to hold it together. Got it. Now let's put it on our first napkin ring. Or put it through our first napkin ring. This design, I think, is going to be cool if we flare it out evenly. Take it and flare it out evenly. And there we are. There's your napkin ring. Now, here's another way you can do this. Pull your pleats back in, your folds back in. Pull your napkin ring down a little bit or up a little bit, depends on how you do it. There we go, and there's another napkin design. How was that? In the description. Okay. Alright, let's put our napkin through the napkin ring. Should grab the whole napkin while pulling it through. That will work. There we go. Isn't that cute? That's just cute. Just imagine I did it that way. So, I've got my folds going different directions on the ends. That's okay. Slide it through my ring. And there you go. There's your napkin ring with the radish. Thank you again for tuning in to Ideally Simple Decor and my napkin rings. I hope you will enjoy them as much as I've enjoyed them on my tables. They come out to be so pretty as a table design. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.